Authorities have raised the alarm against drug syndicates preying on students. There are reports that students are not only being lured into drug abuse, but are also used by syndicates in their illegal operations. This report.
The Anti-Illegal Drug Special Operations Task Force is now coordinating with various schools and universities amid reports that drug syndicates are already using students as drug couriers. According to AIDSOT, schools have been a favorite target of those who are involved in illegal drug trade as they see a market on students. And to ensure that drug syndicates could penetrate their target schools, they too are launching their own promo for students. Drug syndicates also offer free taste to their prospective student customers until they become drug addicts.
Actually, hindi yung baba ang nakakabahala, kundi yung pagbibigay ng libre, no? Para maging sugapa, para maging addict yung mga estudyante, bibigyan ng pusher ng mga libreng droga hanggang sa ito maging sugapa at maging regular na customer na ng mga pusher. At the same time, nakakabahala rin yung paggamit ng mga drugista sa mga bata, no? Sa mga pupils o estudyante na maging courier, maging taga-babawal na gamot sa loob ng eskwelahan.
PNP AIDSOT expressed alarm over reports that those who are most likely prone to get hooked with drugs are those in the secondary or high school level. Merdihia said that it is during this stage when youth wanted to try all vices such as drinking, smoking, and worse, drugs.
Nagiging pro ng mga high school students sa ditong mga vices, ditong mga gateway what do you call this, drugs, para lalo silang nagiging sugapa sa pinagbabawal ng gamot.
In line with this, Merdihia said that they are making arrangements with school administrators to prevent a much complicated scenario inside campuses. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltasar.